So today we're making Hotteok chocolate churros.
Chocolate churros!
We need 120 milliliters of water, a bowl, a frying pan, a spatula, and it's like the ingredients inside water. Actually, we could just switch off to here.
Hotteok.
Thank you all for watching.
So we're supposed to put the water in the bowl, and then there's yeast inside of this. So then we have to put the yeast and water together now.
I'm not sure how visible that is, though it's all in Korean. So. Okay. Actually, I never actually checked what's in the box. So we have the choco jam mix. I can read that because it's in Korean. And
Well, you can read it because it's in Korean?
yeah, of course.
Now then we also have the yeast and the mix for the bread.
Except you don't know that because it's in Korean. And then we also have cinnamon sugar powder. But you guys don't know that because it's in Korean. Where's the whisk? Oh.
Please, no more hitting.
Hey, you don't just... Wait, you don't just grab it over here.
I can hear the wind.
What is going on?
Yeah, I can just crop it. In fact, this will be fake. Oh.
Put the whole bag in.
Wait, you need that little yeast and water for this much mix?
Yes.
And we also need to make the jam somehow.
No.
Wait, there's a gem?
Yeah, jam.
Oh.
No.
Wait, the jam's just ready?
Yeah.
Stinky.
When you kind of start cooking it, it'll like melt a little more.
Is this right? Did it? Is
Oh
it?
yeah.
Oh.
It's supposed to go like that.
It looks powdery, which is probably what, flour powder is supposed to look like.
Should I be using a whisk?
Yes. That's how people mix it, so use the whisk.
No, I could just use like a spoon or something, but this...
What if he's not human?
Yeah.
Humans
What
use
if I'm not
whisks.
human? You got the jam mix and the powder mix. Or just powder. Powder goes, it surrounds the hotteok, and the mix would go inside.
Here you go.
Thank you. Okay, probably good. How do you put it in?
You have to stretch it out a little bit more if you need.
Oh.
Definitely not a baker.
What do you mean?
Who cares if you took cooking class? Definitely not a baker.
Do I need to put in more, or
No, that should be good.
sorry, more dough?
Nah. Just squeeze it together.
I can't squeeze it together. This is where my run ends. Mainly because I did everything up to the stretching it out.
There. Okay, there we go.
Alright guys, happy I said a sentence longer than 3 words. 2 now.
Okay. It's actually kind of hard to get off the plate. It's really sticky. Oh wait, I have to put... I didn't put oil or butter or anything on this.
Yeah, that should be fine.
Oh, okay.
I think those are good, like, really good.
Should I just pop them?
I think they're done.
Yeah, they are. Fire's turned off.
Maybe put it on that plate right next to it.
Okay, Jim, make it look nice. I have to use them for a thumbnail.
So I'm adding lots of sugar and
Hey!
Sugar.
and chocolate to hide up the burn.
Wow.
Mmm,
Big one.
that's actually pretty good.
You can't really see it though, but
Yeah, it's really well done.
You're dropping powder.
I did an apple.
chocolate is right. And there's powder everywhere. There's cinnamon everywhere. But
Out of 10, I would actually rate this like a 8.5.
oh, cool.
I definitely.
A solid 7 just because of the presentation. No, what I mean is like why it's not like above 8.
That's so negative.
It's great.
Okay. You're.
I just think that
Now
the
I'm gonna read
presentation.
it.
I'm pretty sure it's like other kinds. I like this one.
It tastes like chocolate.
Yeah, it's chocolate, so
Chocolate actually kind of covers like lots of like not as good things. Even like protein drinks.
Burnt.
Chocolate is the one that like cover all protein flavor.
Burnt flavor.
and uncooked. So thank you guys for watching. This is my siblings invading and
We're not invading.
Heading.
and
My revenge push.
making Hotteok stuff or chocolate churro Hotteok snack. I guess if you can ever get a hold of a box yourself, then I'd recommend trying. But thank you all for watching. I'll see you later, guys. Later. Bye bye.